auspicious occasion and have the privilege of saying a few words at this chuppah. Yesterday we read in the Parsha a very appropriate pasuk for such an occasion. Ma toivu ayalecha Yaakov mishkanoisecha Yisrael. This pasuk has a dual meaning. On the one hand, our Chazal, our sages teach that it refers to the Batei Knesiyos and the Batei Midrashos, the shuls in which we daven and pray, the Batei Midrashos in which we learn and study Torah. As well, our Chazal teach that it refers to the Bayis Ne'eman B'Yisrael, the homes that we build, the families that we raise. Bilam saw the arrangement of the tents and the homes of Klal Yisrael, the tznius, the modesty, the privacy of the way they were arranged, and he praised us. Ma toivu ayolecha Yaakov. How good are your tents, Yaakov? Mishkaneisecha, your dwelling places, Yisrael. What is the connection and the relationship between these two? The shuls, the Batei Medrash, and the home that we build, the families that we raise. We all recognize that when we enter a Beis HaKnesses, we're cognizant of the fact that it's a home of God, where we serve HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we daven, we learn His Torah, and it demands a certain reverence and respect. Sometimes, because we feel so at home and hamish in a shul, maybe we need an occasional reminder or even a visit from the rabbi, just to bring us back to reality. However, we all recognize that a shul, a Beis HaMedrash, is the home of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And it demands that type of kavod and yira. Our homes are as well a place that is conducive for the home of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Ish v'isha zachu shchina shruya b'neihem. As our sages teach, a man and a woman, a husband and wife, who build their home, build it in a fashion so that HaKadosh Baruch Hu should reside among them in that home. For that to take place, it requires, similar to a Beis HaKnesses and a Beis HaMedrash, a recognition that there's a mission, there's a purpose. A home built upon tznius and kedusha, modesty and action in its speech, recognizing HaKadosh Baruch Hu is with us. And with that in mind, we build that home of God. And we raise our family with that mission, just as in a shul, of serving HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And likewise, just as we're very at home in a shul, we're very at home in our houses. We may spend hours a day away from the home, yet every morning we're there, every evening we're comfortable, we enjoy the security, the warmth, and the simcha of our home. Likewise in our shul, we frequent the shul every day. Upon entry, Matoivu Ayalecha Yaakov, Mishkaneisecha Yisrael is recited. Just as in our homes, we're always there and always at home in our bias, likewise a shul must be part of our daily life and feel at home in our Beis HaKnesses and our Beis HaMedrash. Chosen and Kala, Yoni and Danny, you are both blessed with refined characters and midas tovas, beloved by all your friends, old and new acquaintances alike. You possess, each of you, great knowledge and a thirst for knowledge in all areas, and especially in the area of Torah and Chochmas HaTorah. As a matter of fact, the first time you met was in a pursuit of Yediyas HaTorah, of knowledge and Torah, at a Chidon HaTanach when you both won the trip to Eretz Yisrael. I don't know at that time who came out ahead, but Baruch Hashem, now you're standing one next to each other, embarking on your new journey of Matoivu Oyholecha Yaakov Mishkanesecha Yisrael, to build a home that will be conducive for the Asheras HaShchina, Ish v'Isha Zochu Shchina Shruya Beineihem. Yoni and Danny Halpern is Begematria Hashem Yivne Bayis. We take HaKadosh Baruch Hu with us together as we build our homes. Yoni and Danny together with this most choshev guest, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, who shall reside within the home that you are about to build. And with that, it shall bring all the brachas and hatzlacha, the blessings, the success, the warmth and the security that HaKadosh Baruch Hu's presence will bring. Baruch Hashem, each of you have been raised in beautiful families of chesed, of achnosas orchim, building their homes upon the foundations of Torah and mitzvahs. May you, Chassan and Kala, be zeicha to build your bayis, Ne'eman B'Yisrael, which will be a source of machnachas to your parents, to your grandparents, to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and to all of us. La'arichas yomim v'shonim. Mazel tov.
Please turn your attention to Rabbi Heshi Billet, Rabbi of the Young Israel of Woodmere, the Rabbi of the Lent family. He will be reading the ketubah.